Money lying on the goals, and me only got the time for the doggo. TikTok. You know what to say.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I'm better than ever. I'm back. What? I'm better than ever. No, but I'm back, and today's hair review, in case you haven't seen the title, today's video is a hair review and it's brought to you by Eullair hair. Okay, this was the packaging it came in. Super cute, right? I know. And they also gave bendy rollers. Pretty much every hair company is giving bendy rollers. Now, if you're ordering hair and the company doesn't give bendy rollers, are they even a real hair company, bro? No. Okay, and also it came with this wig cap, which actually there's two in this packaging, which is really nice. Wig is 18 inches. I guess if I straighten it, it will be longer, guys. Yeah, there's that. It's wet, it's drying, so it's a body wave. I think it's dry now. So it's a body wave. Yes, it's a body wave. Let me break down for you the wig construction. So it's got two clips on the side, one in like the center-ish, and another one at the back. So yeah, that's that. I've been loving this hair. It's really soft. It came within around 5 days of me ordering the hair. Price? You want to know the price? The price is $119 for everything, the whole wig. I did not pay extra for shipment, none of that, like extra tax fee. I didn't get any of it. And I was very shocked by that, because I have paid for hair that's more expensive, and I had to pay extra for shipment, taxes. So with this being a lower price range and I didn't have to pay extra, I was just very pleased. I don't know if many people know about this hair. I don't even know how I came across it. But if you want affordable hair, this is affordable hair. Something that's already made for you is perfect. So the company claimed that this wig is 150% density. In my opinion, it's more on the 130% density because, okay, if we look at the lace by itself, the lace is quite thick, I'd say that. The lace on its own is 150%, but the wig as a whole, it's quite thin. Like the weft, there's not many like, you know, tracks. So that's why I would say that it's more on the 130% density. Yeah, I think 150% density is on for the lace itself, and I wouldn't really hold this hair all the way up, you know, as a 360, because this is not a 360, because then you'll see like some tracks and that's not cute. Yeah, so far everything's good. It's just a really soft unit. Oh, the color, right? Okay, the color, the luster is very natural, not shiny. This is a Brazilian texture, and so it's not too shiny. Yeah, I brought some mousse for it. I don't know how mousse. Should we test this out? Let's see how this mousse works. Okay, so the mousse brings back the curl. I brought mousse for this hair. I haven't used it yet, but this is Pantene proving. So this is what it's doing. Sorry about the lighting. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see more definition, because I can. So this is the Pantene Pro. Yeah. And yeah, that's that. But so far everything's good. Oh, I would say that, oh, so luster, right? So luster, yeah, it's not too much shine. It's quite natural. And luster, what else did I say? Color. So the color is it's a natural color, and it's very natural. It's like off black, but it's very, very dark brown. Because if you go in the sun, I think like you will see a few brown streaks, but not that many because it's quite on the naturalish blackish side. Okay, but the light is going down, so thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Also like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.